Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video is going to be something special for me and you as well. We are going to make a traditional cake of Austrians and it's called Linzer Torte. And he's Rado. He's also going to help me for making this cake. Firstly, we will show you the ingredients, and secondly, we will show you the entire process, and thirdly, we will taste the cake and give you some feedbacks. Let's start.
Hello guys, these are the ingredients you will need for a Linzer Torte. 150 grams of powdered sugar, 150 grams of butter, 250 grams of smooth flour, 100 grams of roasted hazelnuts, 10 grams of baking powder, 1 egg, and some spices, cinnamon, lemon skin, and most importantly, cloves. And you can also add some vanilla bourbon. And last but not least, you will need Redcurrant jam. In original recipe, they write 300 grams, but you can use less if you find it too much. And then you are ready to go.
So usually the Linzer Torte consists of two layers, the bottom layer with the dough and the top layer was with the jam and some nuts, whatever you like to add some toppings. And let's see the process.
Yes, so basically to bake a Linzer Torte you have to go through 3 steps. That means you add up all the ingredients and you have a dough which you then let chill. In the second step you form the cake itself and put it on the form. In the third step you let it bake, that's it. In the first step you take 150 grams of powdered sugar, put it in the bowl and add 150 grams of butter. To speed up the process, usually I divide the butter in some smaller pieces, like this. In the next step, add 250 grams of smooth flour, and ideally you can actually be adding consecutively. That means you add a little bit, then you mix. You add and you mix. And in the end, you add 10 grams of baking powder. So first round. So in the last part of the first step, we will add 100 grams of hazelnuts, roasted hazelnuts. Next, add some spices. First, add cloves. Then lemon skin. So last but not least, we will add cinnamon. See, there is a lot of spices. And the very last ingredient, 1 egg. Okay guys, that's it. Now you knead, and when you get a dough, you let it chill, and then you can proceed to the next step and form a cake. So after we have left the dough chill for around 20 to 30 minutes, in the next step we take the dough and we will separate it in 2 pieces, where a smaller piece will be used for additional stuff like the rim and some letters or anything, and the main part will be used for the basement, right? So now I take roughly, let's say, one quarter. Always consider taking rather more than less, and now the bigger part will be formed into the bases, and in the following I will also do the other parts. Yes, and very important, do not forget to put baking paper first, so then you don't have any troubles when taking the cake out of the form, right? And it will not stick.
So guys, I just asked Rado to make some letter over the cake, like Tamil, like this logo on top of the cake.
So now I'm going to do the last step, and I will place some jam around the rinding. And in the last step, we let the cake bake for roughly 16-17 minutes, bottom, top, and 210. Okay, so let's do it.
So guys, it's almost done, so I'm going to taste it. Let's see how it tastes. Man, with the jam.
The jam.
Yeah, a little bit jam. Perfect. It's really sweet. Thank you. It's amazing, man. The crispy, the nose, everything was perfect.
Nandri vanakkam.
Actually, the taste is really amazing. So it came well, cooked well, baked well. So viewers, just try this recipe and leave your comments. Hope you like this video. If so, click on like button,
Share.
and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Bye.